Yeah, so it's not necessary for many of these adapters. These adapters are made and given to the consumer to, well, in the beginning, it was to make promotion of alternating current easier to promote, because then you had the convenience of anyone can just have a power company and plug this in. First it was nationally, and now today it's global. You take one of these and you can pretty much be assured that you can find some source of alternating current to power it, and subsequently DC. Well, I'm really tired of this shit, you know? There's just absolutely too much plastic and other crap in this world. So this is 12 volts, so let's say we'll leave ourselves a little bit of pigtail on there, and gone. And this was the AC adapter for this. What I'm going to do, I'm going to plug that right in here, take the other end, and go straight to a battery. Well, not directly to a battery. Of course, I would use some type of voltage regulation and make sure, and load protection to make sure. And that comes in the form of one of these. That was a DC voltage regulator, and I'm just going to take this. Now, to explain to you, one of the things why I'm doing this is because when I plugged this in before, as you can see, this machine has holes here. It gets very warm inside of it. There's a lot of electronics that use conversion units that dissipate heat, and there's no fan for it. But it does still make noise. When it gets warm, there must be some mini coils or small transformers in it. What happens is when it gets warm, it emits a high-pitched tone. It's similar to that of like a 1960s television set, this high-pitched beep. Some days I can't really hear it, you know, it's background noise. But yeah, when you're trying to sleep in a small apartment, it can drive you fucking crazy. So my idea is to make this more efficient by getting rid of this really inefficient and terribly regulated power source, the adapter, and go straight into a battery.